Na-deform.
Yeah, stretch mo maigi.
Huwag kang magsalita.
Alright, so we're going. Dito kami sa Halloween party ng mga friends namin, no? So, ako to, PDD. So, si Skimas the Slump God.
Welcome! Hi, Kuya! Happy Halloween! Why do we have PDD? Why is it PDD? Oh my God! PDD! Oh my God! Let's go! Back to baby oil! With the blessing of the baby oil. This is a white party. We were not informed on that. Hello!
Am I late in the party?
There's a prince. There's a prince. It's just this
Hide the kids.
Come on, kids, let's go in the room.
Hide the kids.
I have some baby oil.
Happy Halloween!
Apple. Two, three, four. Favorite game. 1, 2, 3.
May pagtakip
We're going to eat, Kevin. Show me your tongue.
Which one? How about a French?
Babe, wala namang tao.
Where's the French dog?
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Have a good day.
Hey guys. Mommy.
Alright, so dito kami, no, to try out namin tong Japanese restaurant dito sa Vancouver, yung sikat na Saku restaurant. Sikat siya sa tonkatsu nila, no? So, yeah, let's check it out.
what's your serving?
There's also kids. Noodles. Ito daw sa Kokatsu, ano daw siya, authentic tonkatsu restaurant dito sa Vancouver. No? So, check natin, tingnan natin kung masarap nga talaga. No? So dito, walang reservation. Ano lang sila, through waiting list. Meron lang sila schedule. Alam ko parang 1 o'clock hanggang 3 and then 5 o'clock hanggang 9. No? And first come, first serve sila. Is that yours? Cheese katsu? Thank you. Wow. Alright. So ito na yung pork cutlet, no? Yung katsu nila. And pwede kang magtimpla ng sauce. Ito yung magtitimpla ka ng sauce niya. Idudurugin mo lang to, i-grind mo lang yung sesame.
Let's follow Daddy. Grind. Daddy, can you do it for me, please?
Yan, ikot hanggang sa madurog. Lagyan mo ng konting ano. Ito ato hinahalo din. So grind natin tong sesame.
Daddy made the right
chicken nila, Daddy.
Alright, first taste yung pork katsu nila, no? So, let's try it. Sarap, lambot. Ito dapat sa salad dressing.
Salamat, Daddy.
Ito yung chicken. Unlimited rice yan, ha? Pag naubos na, pwede kang kumuha.
Gusto rin nyo ng rice.
Sarap din yung chicken. Ito naman yung cheese katsu nila. Signature din nila to. Pure cheese lang to na binabad sa breading. Tapos dinip fry. Up. Sarap. Kabi, how's your food? You like it? It's very good. Kaya masasabi mo sa food?
Super yummy. Super lang po.
So full. So. Right. Thank you. You too. Kabi in your jacket. Busog. Sarap ng pagkain. Lalakad lang muna kami dito sa ano, no, sa Brentwood Mall. Check-in namin yung area. So, tapos uwi na rin kami. Let's go. So, ano masasabi niyo sa restaurant? Busog? 8 out of 10 daw. Sarap din siya. Although medyo pricey, pero for an authentic Japanese experience talaga. Talagang sulit na sulit.